In our last example, we knew the x-coordinate of the vertex or the axis of symmetry location was at 3, but how do we always know where the axis of symmetry is? For instance, if you're using a table to try to construct a parabola, it works out nice if the parabola is centered in your window of your graph. But what if your vertex is at 12 comma something? You'd have to calculate a lot of points in your table before you'd finally get the vertex. So we need a quicker way to do that. So if you have your graph in standard form, or your function in standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, you can use the coefficients a and b to help you out. So this equation right here helps you calculate the axis of symmetry, or the x-coordinate of the vertex. Because remember, the vertex is always on the axis of symmetry. So just like we did in quadratic formula, we use the same coefficients. A is 1, b is -6, and we're going to plug them into this equation for the axis of symmetry. So we have on the top -6, so they cancel out. It's like kind of like quadratic formula again, opposite of b. So that becomes 6, and then 2 times 1 on the bottom because a is 1. So that gets us 6 over 2. So our axis of symmetry is 3, but we use the vertical line would be x equals 3. That would be what we use to represent the axis of symmetry.